the kids enjoyed it. What is up you guys, welcome back to the channel. मेरा नाम है रोहित प्रेम जी guys, और आज के वीडियो में मैं बात करना चाहता हूँ आप सभी के साथ about my Stage 1 Yamaha R3. So जैसा कि आप देख ही सकते हो, मैंने अपने बाइक में कुछ परफॉर्मेंस अपग्रेड्स कराया है which has made it a Stage 1 setup right now. स्पीकिंग ऑफ द मॉड्स जो मैंने अपने बाइक में करवाया है गाइस, फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट हमने लगाया है एक फुल सिस्टम एग्जॉस्ट किट फ्रॉम द हेडर्स टू द मफलर सेटअप। उसी के साथ टू इम्प्रूव विद द एयर टू फ्यूल रेशियो गाइस, हमने एक BMC का हाई परफॉर्मेंस एयर फिल्टर भी लगाया अपने बाइक के ऊपर। Also guys, to improve with the ignition of the bike, we have also installed a NGK Spark Plugs. So guys, to help with the refinement of the bike, हमने install किया है अपने बाइक में एक Liqui Moly का 10W40 Street Race Synthetic Engine Oil guys, alongside a K&N Oilfilter. What these mods basically do to the bike guys are, they are not really like horsepower gain mods. ये सब mods अपने engine का refinement में help करता है guys, and overall helps with the riding experience. उसी के साथ साथ गाइस, हमने अपना बाइक में एक रोलॉन का ब्रास कोटेड चेन स्प्रॉकेट किट भी लगाया है टू हेल्प विद द रोलिंग मास ऑफ द बाइक. And to speak of the rubbers that we are running on our bike right now guys, we are running a set of Michelin Pilot Street radials 150/60 R17s at the back and 110/17 R17s at the front guys. Basically होता क्या है ना, जब एक मैन्युफैक्चरर एक इंजन बनाता है for a car or a bike, because they have to meet certain emission standards and mileage concerns are also there with an engine. Obviously mileage सबको पसंद है, so they always have to tune an engine in a way where it is reliable and the mileage is good. So hence why they cannot ever tune the engine for complete outright maximum performance. That is the reason why guys, we are doing these specific mods, very subtle yet very thoughtful mods to our bike to unlock the full potential of this engine. This engine, as you know guys, is a masterpiece. So this engine has so much potential in it guys कि हम ये सब mods करके अपना बाइक का full potential unlock कर देना चाहते हैं, and that is the reason guys, we are going to be going with a Stage 2 setup very soon. So speaking of our Stage 2 mods guys, first and foremost, because अपने बाइक में एक full system exhaust लगा हुआ है, we need to get our ECU flashed or maybe a power commander installed. Secondly guys, the thing that I need to do most on this bike is suspension upgrades. A race bike can never run on stock suspension guys, so suspension upgrades are gonna come very soon. So उसी के साथ guys, चलिए मैं आपको अभी एक बार बाइक का exhaust note सुना देता हूँ before we hop on the motovlogging setup and I take you all out on a ride. So guys, we are back on the motovlogging setup और चलिए चलते हैं and get started with our ride. The bike feels supremely smooth guys. Like जितना भी performance mods हमने किया है, that has just brought this engine up to life guys. Like ये engine बहुत ही ज़्यादा अभी refined feel हो रहा है. Like if you have seen any reviews about the R3, आपको ये चीज़ तो पहले से मालूम ही होगा कि Yamaha R3 has the most refined 300cc engine out there in its class. लेकिन guys, once you do all of the mods that I have done to my bike, you will see a whole new side to this engine guys. Like the Yamaha R3 has a very linear power band guys, but once you do the mods that I have done to my bike, you will be able to use that power a lot better guys. Like जब आप अपना throttle खोलते हो, and from the time the bike gets moving on, it is so quick and so instantaneous now because of our high performance air filter and our better spark plugs and all of those stuffs guys. The bike just feels a lot more responsive, nimble. Like ये बाइक में हमेशा से था कि this bike always had that very good handling characteristics, being a Yamaha and all, you know, but now you can see the way she likes to rev now. Wow, she just wants to rev all the way to 12,500 RPM. Like she tempts me now, okay, chal bhai, chal, let's go, get a move on. She just tempts me now, it's like that. Oof, and the downshifts man, the downshifts are more rewarding. जैसा कि आप सुन ही सकते हो. I hope that the mic can do it justice to what the downshifts feel like, because in reality they feel brutal guys. So guys, आपने देखा what this bike feels like to redline. It just feels like a monster, man. This bike is gonna feel like it's at home on the hills, guys. I can't tell you. It will be insane to carve some corners on this bike. Like मैं आपको बता नहीं सकता कि how enjoyable this bike is gonna be on some proper canyon twisty roads. जैसा कि आप देख ही सकते हैं, I have reached Eco Park, the spot to be for all the lovers in Kolkata. This feels like a private racetrack, man. Speed breaker alert. Check out this sculpture, it's so cool, yeah. Nice. Calcutta, I love Calcutta for that fact, guys. It is the city of joy. Like, art is so important in Calcutta, guys. I just love it. Even though the weather is kind of hot right now, I don't know what the actual temperature is. Lekin since Calcutta, summer ka time, aap soch hi sakte ho ki actual temperature kya hoga. But I'm just having a lot of fun riding and talking to you guys, yaar. Especially with the bike behaving the way she is now, like so smooth and so like enjoyable and rewarding. ये राइड का मज़ा ही कुछ अलग है गाइस. मैं यहाँ पे कभी भी रिप अराउंड नहीं करता क्योंकि इट इज़ अ फैमिली फ्रेंडली पार्क एंड वी शुड रिस्पेक्ट द पीपल अराउंड अस एंड ऑल्सो हैव सम एथिकेट्स, यू नो, सम मैनर्स. सो हेंस व्हाई आई डोंट लाइक रिपिंग अराउंड हियर. सो चलिए एक बार हम यहाँ से निकलते हैं एंड देन आई कैन शो यू व्हाट दिस बीस्ट इज़ केपेबल ऑफ. ये अपना सस्ता आईफिल टावर. इफ़ यू हैवंट सीन इट इन माई वीडियोज़ बिफोर, नाउ यू हैव. The kids enjoyed it. What a fun day out with the R3, boys. I hope you are enjoying this video so far. If you are, you know the drill. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and turn on all your notifications so that you don't miss out any future content on the R3, boys. Okay, speed camera ahead, we gotta shut it down.